NTS CAT Verbal Reasoning Session Day 4. In this video lecture, we will discuss about the preposition of time, at, on and in, where to use at, where to use on or where to use in. Let's discuss about at. We use at with specific time when we are talking about a specific hour or minutes. For example, I left the party at midnight. Midnight is basically a specific time, and you know that midnight is 12 a.m. so that's why we can use the word at. She finishes work at 6:15 p.m. so you are also talking about a specific time with minutes and hours, so you are using the word at. Now where to use in? When we discuss about for months, years, centuries or long period, then we can use the word in. For example, my birthday is in January, or the river near my house is dry in summer. So where to use on? For days and dates. For example, I will return it to you on Wednesday, or they get paid on 20th of every month. So you are talking about a specific day, that's why you are using the word on. Here are few another examples. I have a meeting at 9 a.m. You are talking about a specific time, that's why you are using the word at. The shop closes at midnight. Jan went home at lunchtime. So here are the long periods or a specific month or year. In England, it often snows in December. Do you think we will go to Jupiter in the future? There should be a lot of progress in the next century. Do you work on Mondays? For specific days and dates, you are using the word on. Her birthday is on 20th of November. Where will you be on New Year's Day? Next, we will discuss when not to use at, on, in. Don't use in, at, on, when. We say the word last, next, every, this. For example, I went to London last June, not in last June. He is coming back next Tuesday, not on next Tuesday, because you are here using the word next. I go home every Easter, not at every Easter. You are using the word every. We will call you this evening, but not in this evening. You are using the word this. So you will avoid to use here in, at, on. Here are few examples. The manager isn't here, dash present, but she will be back, dash half an hour. Here you will use at, and here you will use in. Which are correct? You won't be working on Saturday nights in the future. So here you will use in, and here you will use on. Which are correct? I am busy dash moment, but I will be free dash evening. I am busy at the moment, but I will be free this evening. So you will use this one.